Control panel buttons getting worn out or just not working right can totally mess up your day, especially when you rely on that stuff daily. So first, try cleaning the buttons gently with a soft cloth and some rubbing alcohol to get rid of any gunk or sticky residue. If that doesn't work, check if the buttons are physically damaged. Sometimes they just wear down from too much use. You can also try pressing them firmly but not too hard, because sometimes they just need a little extra love to respond. Another thing is to unplug the device for a few minutes and then plug it back in, since a quick reset might fix unresponsiveness. If your control panel has a touch screen, make sure your fingers are dry and clean, because moisture and dirt can cause issues. For some devices, updating the firmware or software can solve button problems, so check the manufacturer's website for updates. If none of that helps, you might want to look into replacing the control panel or contacting a professional for repairs. Always remember to read the manual or online guides for your specific device to avoid making things worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with worn-out control panel buttons is ignoring early signs like sticky or slow response, which just lets the problem get worse. Fix this by acting fast and cleaning regularly. Another common issue is trying to force broken buttons, which can damage the internal parts. Instead, be gentle and consider professional help if needed. Lastly, many forget to check for software updates that could fix button problems. Keeping your device's software current often prevents unresponsiveness. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle, making your repair or upgrade projects way easier. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who actually need their skills, so everyone wins when it comes to getting things done right.